No, you don't. Okay, ready? Hey guys, it's Braelynn and Braelynn today. We're having a bike and rainy day vlog. Okay, go for it, Braelynn.
Bike and rainy day.
I'm gonna sit here. Oh yes. Yes. Yes, girl. Get it.
Don't do that.
There you are.
And then you.
Yeah.
It's my favorite puddle in the whole world.
We're on a bike, so yeah. We love riding bikes and rainy days.
I got some wet socks.
We just decided to come out when it stopped raining so we wouldn't get rained on. Yeah.
I really started this thing
So, yeah. And
today. Okay, your turn. Your turn. You can't do the same thing.
okay. Oi, 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 oi.
Stop doing the oys.
Okay. We don't have any light. Barely have any light. Wow. Wee! Hello.
Over the bump.
Yoey. It's right there. Wow!
The sky is shooting.
Never knew the sky should.
The shooting sky. Not the shooting star, but the shooting sky.
Yep, totally makes sense. Talk louder.
Yeah.
Stop! Stop! We also have this really big puddle over here. Yeah. Hello.
And goodbye.
Wah!
Perfect for me. Can't really ride on it because it goes over a hill. But,
Ew.
you know,
You guys go. No, I'm just kidding.
days are days.
We can't see the cars because we want you guys to see the license plate. Yeah. Whoa, I got wet socks. Now we're going to do it together. Well, we'll try. Whatever we do, don't blame us.
Oh, before we get started,
Please subscribe in 3,
2, 1, go!
and like and comment, but like you don't have to do comment in like 5 million seconds. So,
Yeah, just try to subscribe and like.
in 7 seconds. Don't comment because like it takes like 2 minutes. Unless you just say hi.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. If you guys did that, comment down below. I did it. Hashtag I did it. You guys get a shout out. Woohoo! Guys want a shout out? Do it.
See ya.
Bye. She gone. Yay. I'm just kidding.
Hop off the curb.
Hello. You're back. I didn't say anything about you. I promise. Nope, wrong way.
We like to jump curves up in
Oh my god. I can't do this. Sorry.
Up in this joint, we like to jump curves.
I'm not that good at this. I'm not that good at this. Let's go on a walk around the, not around the neighborhood, but
I'll walk it.
let's go walk. Let's go walk. And do some really cool things. Okay. Yeah, like jump up and down in muddy puddles. There's some mailbox. Hey. Kick on their mailbox.
Yep.
That means let's go hear the sewers.
Yep, the penguin's gonna pop out and get you guys, but you guys will survive, right? Right.
We won't though.
Yes.
Of course, it's all fall leaves laying down here. But
Here's my
then
puddle.
you guys can come down here.
Here's my puddle, guys. Looky.
Yeah. Yes.
Beautiful.
A little splush.
Braelynn never did a video, so I'm acting like it's a TikTok for her.
Kind of.
Don't know what a TikTok is?
Go to the app store. See what TikTok. Where?
Let's go see Peaches, guys.
Oh, yeah, no. Peaches is not supposed to be out.
Let's go see Peaches. Come on.
We don't want to run because then it will, like, mess up.
Peaches, come here, dum-dum.
Stop. Here, hold the camera.
Okay. I'll go get her.
Peaches. She's hurt. Guys, she's hurt.
No, she isn't.
We're going to see his obviously.
Let's go try this house. Nice house. Nice looking house.
Yes, it was just Christmas. We still have Christmas decorations up.
Go back up.
Good girl, Opal.
Go in your
Yep,
yard.
Opal. Totally Opal.
Stay in your yard, Peaches. Alright, bye, Peaches.
Bye. Don't follow us. Doesn't she have that collar?
Huh?
Doesn't she have that collar? Oh, car. We don't need to see their license plate. Okay, so now there's a bird in the sky. Let's zoom in on that girl.
Oh, there's another one over there.
Oh, yes.
There's a bird nest over there, too.
Where? Let's see if y'all can see it. I'm not sure.
Yeah, this camera's
Yeah, but that's pretty much
it.
what we do. So, yes.
Oh, here's some berries from the tree. Here, have some berries, guys. They're really like for stress. Oh, car, don't show its license plate. Yeah, I know. And so it's like berries, and then like get your stress, and it's super cool peel.
Fire hydrant. Oh, look at that mossy, yucky, nasty stuff on that thing. Ooh, needs to be cleaned. But of course, she's picking it. Yes. Put your face up and do your face in the
Ew.
And there's the girl. She is the queen.
Of the one. No, Sophia.
So as of right now, all we hear is the floor
gutter.
draining.
Dang gutter.
And it's stupid
I'm going to
because we do not like sewers because they stink sometimes.
There's some berries on his head.
Let's not show the. Ooh, nice mushrooms and yes. Okay, let's go see if those potatoes are still over there.
Yeah. Potatoes.
Of course, we gotta step in the muddy.
I'm not. Like,
Yes, queen.
yeah.
And then we gotta wash.
If you guys haven't
these.
seen the other video where I went and go got some potatoes, that was very bad.
If you
Holding
watched the
camera
other video,
My first video I posted.
Braelynn and her other friends found some
Potatoes.
over here by her house.
Yeah.
And there's a whole puddle of water right here.
Yeah. Okay.
That's a nice.
That nice.
Now we know where we need to ride our bikes more often.
Oh, in here. Ew. I'm
Yes.
really sinking.
We're going to need to ride our bikes down this muddy,
Beautiful
muddy,
aisle.
beautiful wedding aisle. We need to walk in all this. So.
Potatoes.
Here it is.
Ooh, here's some worms, guys.
Ooh, look.
Guys,
Here's a piece of a potato.
Guys, here's some worms. Oh.
Worms.
Oh, Let's get the worm.
The worms are like stuck in there.
Let's get them. Let me get that
They're
one.
like stuck.
Let me get that one. Oh, here.
So sad.
Here.
Got a
Let's get some
worm.
dirt.
Got a worm. See that?
Yeah, let's get some dirt in there so we can.
Oh, sorry the camera's being foggy. We got it wet.
Yeah, I'm giving this dude some dirt. You
There
guys
you go.
some dirt? Yeah, I have some dirt on here in my hand.
Oh, here's one.
Hello,
That's
dude.
the one I tried to give you, but yeah.
Oh my God, there's like colorful things.
Those are.
Oh, here.
That is not a worm. It would be moving. Okay, guys, I'm gonna clean you really quick, so we'll be back.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Okay.
Okay, now y'all are clean. So now we're just gonna walk. We're still here, so we're just gonna walk up here, but there's not much to see, so we're just gonna walk back here. And she has a handful of worms.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Let's go. That means we're good. That means we're good. Ew. Yeah, let's just go right around that, or just go in it. Yes. There's something wrong. White fence. Okay, like here's the beautiful white fence plus our dirty
Brown fence. The brown fence is prettier than white fence. Well, I don't know. You guys comment below. Which fence is prettier? This white fence or this brown wooden fence? It has lights across it, so that's why there's like a cord. So yeah.
Yep. To be honest, I would like the white fence better.
I have to be honest. I would like that fence because the gate on this fence
Oh yeah, I like that fence. I like our fence, guys.
is falling. You can look.
Some nice.
See, it's just all falling apart.
Let's go put these worms in some nice fresh.
Okay.
Over here.
Fresh mud hole. Okay, look at this beautiful tree. That tree or that bush? Which one? Y'all comment below on that one too. Got some Christmas lights. Even though it's not at Christmas anymore, but you know, what's the use? They're still amazing. There's red and green lights. They're red and green's not always a Christmas color. It can be any color. My favorite color is red, and my friend's favorite color is green. So, you know, well, my dad's actually. So, yeah, you see my dad's flaming grill over there? Yes, queen. Hit it. Oh, never mind. It's not flaming anymore. But he's got his grill going. You see it. I don't know if you can see it, but my mom's home. Okay, let's ride to my mom.
I got one in my hand.
We're going to ride to my mom and dad. She is still putting the worms. Yes. Ooh. Okay. Alright, we're riding.
Is this the longest video yet?
Yes. It's kind of hard riding the bike with them on here. Y'all might get a little shaky. Y'all might get if y'all get a little shaky, don't get mad at me. Because we're trying our best to ride our bike and still video. You know, that's kind of hard. Yes. Alright, you see the grill smoking? Yes. That's a pretty house.
A beautiful house with a pool and trampoline.
And a mud pile that we might go over if I drop y'all. Oh, that was a mud pile. So if y'all bounced a little bit, then that's.
Brown's a bad driver.
Alright, we're going through the water. And yeah. Bye.